Bonjour, this is Marianne Lecoeur of howtobechicand.elegant.com, and today in this video I am going to show you various scarves that will actually to transform your jackets and outfits. So in this video today I'm going to show you various scarves with various jackets that really can help in uplifting and bringing color to your outfits. So first of all, a big thank you to Lilly Singh for sponsoring my video. If you are new to my channel, a big welcome to you, and please subscribe and click on the little bell for notifications. Thank you. So today we are filming in front of the old Roman bath of the old Alona, which is now Valogne. If you love Hermes scarves, you will absolutely love Lilly Silk scarves. They have the same dimensions, they are 100% silk, very good quality, and they are also hand-rolled. And look at this one, it has beautiful colors of Pantone colors for 2019 for autumn-winter. So you have the reds, the pinks, the lavender, and these colors will really bring color to your face, really brighten an autumn day or a winter day. The large dimensions are also very versatile, so you can knot and tie your scarves in many ways. And also for autumn winter, they will cover more of your neck area and be very warm. So I'm going to show you these scarves with outfits now, with various jackets, and you will see how just even one scarf can change the whole outfit. So these outfits are kept neutral with a just simple grey sweater, also from Lilly Silk, and a pair of corduroy grey trousers, so that you will see really the impact that each scarves really bring to the outfit. So these scarves is really good because you have such bright colors, can really brighten up the outfit for autumn or winter or any other time of year, of course. What I also really like with this scarf is that you can choose one of the four corners to bring forward. You could pick the bright pink corner or the red corner or the dark maroon, which is called Biking Red by Pantone, or the sugar almond corner, so that you bring it forward depending on your taste or your coloring or what you are wearing. So this is that pink scarf with the grey, and you can see how pink and grey go really well together. It helps to bring brighter color towards the face, because grey can be a little bit dull and dark for the winter. So these bright colors all together with the pink, with the lavender, and you have that bright red, really helps to pick up, to bring color towards the face. I really like that. Again, here in this outfit with the grey and the black jacket, you have the pink and you have some green showing, and as I mentioned earlier, you can pick any corner you wish because they're in different color. So you bring forward, you show off the color that you wish. You have various choices in these scarves. Now with this bright green jacket, again the scarf works really well. I love that beautiful pink with that green jacket. And again, you see also that this scarf is made up of squares. So inside each square you have a motif which is a vintage car, and each motif has various colors. So you have some green, you have some bordeaux, you have some yellow and some orange. So really the choice is yours, and depending on the way that you tie the scarf, you can show off various colors. And now with the second scarf, a black and white scarf. This is a chic, elegant scarf you can wear with your outfits, with grey, with black, with red, with white. Look at this sharp contrast, which is very attractive, very flattering. It is much more than a black and white scarf. And look at that orange piping. That adds this little je ne sais quoi to the whole scarf, to the outfit. This is a beautiful scarf, very, very versatile, and one to have in your French chic wardrobe. And now, with our all grey outfit, that really works. It creates contrast, it brings colour towards the face. And of course, you could wear, a black sweater underneath. You could wear a red sweater. You could wear an off-white, a winter white sweater. Bring more colour towards the face, especially when wearing grey. That looks really, really flattering, really elegant. And now with our black jacket, really this is an absolute no-brainer. It does work. You have sharp contrast with the white, with the red, and with the orange piping. You could also wear, of course, a red jacket, and this would look absolutely amazing. I really love this sharp contrast. So this is our last outfit, and it does work also with this jacket. What you need to do, because this is a bright jacket, this is a bright scarf, it is best to leave the rest of the outfit neutral, so that the jacket and the scarf remain the only focus of your outfit. And you can see how the green of the jacket is brought out in the green of that motif in the scarf. So I hope you enjoyed this video and those scarves from Lilly Silk. So I put this one in. Look at the bright colors. I absolutely adore them. And also they are so versatile. So I will put the links to these beautiful scarves in the description box below. And please use my coupon code to have a discount. So this is all from Alona today. But please be sure not to miss my next video. Because in my next video, I will let you know about a new way I can again help you even more with your outfit. So don't miss that one. That will be next Friday. So please click subscribe, click on the notification, like and share my video. I thank you very much. À bientôt. So a while ago I did a video on my first Hermes scarf. So I'm pointing to the video. I am going to show you outfits that can be absolutely transformed with the help of these beautiful Lilly Silk scarves. Website. So this is one of the scarves that Lilly Singh kindly sent to me. It is exactly the same dimensions as the Hermes scarf. It's a little bit windy today. It's like a sail.